Three little birdsman here again with a neighborhood kitty. Meow. Kitty, where you going, kitty? Yeah, she's a mommy kitty. A little feral cat who's really friendly, actually. We've been feeding her off and on. I guess she's decided it's time to spend a little time on the front porch. She won't come talk, though. Uh-oh. She hear my kitty. What's that about? Let's go see. Come on. Come on. Come on. Oh, Jeannie, who do you see? Who do you see, Jeannie? Huh? What y'all gonna do? Ignore one another as you usually do?
I knew there was something.
You ignoring one another as you usually do? My pretty kitty. My pretty neighborhood kitty. What you got on your head there, Gray? Yes, Tomasina's here. Alright, go back in, kitty.